English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Nationality, pair, same. Nationality. Nationality is a noun. A1 learners usually know nationality. A person's nationality refers to the country to which he or she belongs. Here are some examples. He has French nationality. They have dual nationality. She works with people of all nationalities. Pair. Pair is a noun. At A1, a pair refers to two people. At A2, a pair is two things or two parts. Here are some examples. They work well as a pair. In the Spanish class, we speak together in pairs. He has a pair of shoes, but he doesn't have a pair of socks. Same. Same is a noun and an adjective. A1 learners usually know same. At A1, the same, noun, means exactly alike, but same, adjective, means not another different person, thing, or situation. Here are some examples. In many ways, we are the same. The boys have the same eyes as their father. They will go to the same university next year. Now, write some of your own sentences with nationality, pair, and same. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.